Hi, I'm Liz, and this 7.5 by 10-foot display was sent to me for the purposes of this video by the brand, and I want to walk through the customization process because that's a big part of ordering one of these. You can see on mine how beautiful the design is, how vibrant the colors are. So when you customize the banner, you're going to upload your artwork directly on the product page. There are options for pictures, background colors, and text. And if you need help or a larger size, they list an email contact. I used that email myself and was working with their team. It was super easy. They respond quickly. They help make sure the artwork looks right before it goes to print. And one thing to note is that the preview is approximate. So if you have big pixel files or very detailed images, they'll confirm that with you. If you're new to ordering custom backdrop displays, I hope that this gives you an idea of what to expect. And as somebody who loves good customer service, I can't say enough good things about working with the team that customized this display for me. And I hope that helps.